Hello, I'm going to be showing you, I actually found this by accident, but you can use timeline to make objects teleport. I feel like this could be useful if you wanted to, um, in a fantasy game with magic, if you had a particle effect and made it look like an illusion once you got close to it, or something similar to that. But I'm sure there's other uses, of course, for this. So here we go. Just open up a normal trigger box, and I'm using a cube, but you can use it pretty much any object for this. Go to the event graph, and you begin with a normal event actor begin overlap, um, and also an end overlap. Add a timeline, and you can name it something if you want. Plug in that to play, and plug in the end overlap to reverse. Now go off of update and change it to set actor location. And of course, go off here and create a new variable, this one specifically an actor, which will be the block. And you can check the instance editable and then of course add that. Over here we have a go off of a new location. You want to create a vector, and you can name it like initial start or just start. For this will be the start location for your object. And this is, of course, a vector addition node. So you plug that into that, and this you go off of here and go to make vector, and pretty much you adjust the numbers here, and as you adjust them there, that affects where it will show up in your world. So when you overlap, it'll play this, and then of course it'll teleport over to the location. So you can play around with the X, Y, and Z axes and just determine where you want that, and of course if you click and open the timeline there, make sure to add a keyframe at the start and change it to 0, 0, and a keyframe, you want it to be a bit more exact than this. And you can alter it if you want as well. And once you have both of these selected, right click and you can choose one of these. Auto is probably the most natural for movement if you were doing a door or something similar, a window, anything like that. And constant would probably be good if you were doing like something mechanical like the hands of a clock. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed my video.